What is up, guys? And today I made a promotional fan page website of a Star Wars series, and today I'm gonna give you a tour of the website, the whole website. This is a simple website, but at the same time, it's also a single page and multiple pages. So let's go. First, we have the home page, which is the tagline in the screen. Next, we have the introduction right here. Then the iconic lightsaber in the background. And this one is the navigation where you want to navigate the page. And here is the about page if you wanna know about the series. Here it is. Followed by the story or the lore itself. So here we have the Jedi lore and the dark side lore. Next, you have the news updates. And a comic series. So the comics that are started by the Greatest Space Adventures, and right here is the iconic comics that is shown in the screen. And when you press this, you will read more about the story in each comic book, something like that. Also, you can do multiple. You can press multiple of them. And if you wanna see the rest of the comics, the iconic ones, in here, it will navigate you to this page. First is the High Republic era, the fall of the Jedi, and the reign of the Empire. Basically, these are the book of the High Republic, and the author itself, his name is George Lucas. So if you want to know about him, you can read more the infos about him. And moving on to the movies. So the old movies are shown here. First, you have The New Hope, The Empire Strikes Back, Return of the Jedi, and many more. So if you want to see more movies, you can click here. Movies and series as well. Now we have the character. You can see and their iconic lines. So you have to discover, if you want to know the characters, here are the main three characters. First you have Anakin Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Luke Skywalker. To view more characters, you have to press this one. Next we have Master Yoda, Han Solo, Princess Leia, Kylo Ren, Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Chewbacca, Boba Fett, R2-D2, the Stormtroopers, C-3PO, and Rey. Next we have the shop. This time the shop can buy, but yeah. And you can discover more merchandise in this area right here. And then the footer. Moving on, I'm gonna show you the program that I used. So first of all, we have the index HTML, and the line of code is more than 1,000, since we have to place more pictures, more anything about it. So, and it's all combined, since in my repository it's kind of full. So here it is. And first we have the styles first. Next we have the navigation links. And then the style of the header, in order to organize, to make it organized and fixed. And right here is the introduction. And then the use of it, the use of codes are the initiative, something like that. Followed by, in each section, I place their styles, and then the script. It is all combined. Sometimes there's like backends. Same thing from here. So there are more files that are connected. Even the script as well. Next up here is the characters. The character is HTML, followed by the style inside, in order to avoid bugs or errors, hard time in navigating. We use div to make the borders, the pictures, and the paragraph about the character itself, followed by the script. Next, for the collections, this is the code for movies and series. Now we have the comic page. The comic page, same thing. There is a combined file. And yeah, and right here, the left side, these are all the files for my web, to make a website about the stars. So it has a lot of files, since I have to put more informations about it. And moving on to the media queries. So the laptop is around 124 and 900. When you use a tablet, this is how it looks like. And here, if you're confused, here's a navigation where you want to go. And here's the large mobile. If you use a large size mobile, here it all looks like. The medium mobile, if you use the small, medium sized mobile, here it is. And the small mobile. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.